Grabe, powerhouse performance to. SB19 already has the strong stage presence, killer vocals, and choreography. Tapos G22 naman brings fierce energy and girl crush vibes. Perfect balance ang lakas talaga nila. Kumbaga may astig factor plus sas factor. Ang ganda ng harmonies ng SB19. Tapos yung rap line, synchronized, choreo, nakaka-goosebumps. Saka yung dancers are absolutely killing it with those moves. So sharp, so smooth, just perfect. At yung coordination is insane. Every move is on point, no wasted energy. You can tell na they really put in the work. Flawless ang execution. This is next level dancing. Saka yung energy is just unmatched. Yung timing, the style, everything so malinis. I can say din na G22's presence here is strong. It really looks like they're having so much fun performing. SB19 on stage is pure perfection din. Lahat ng expression, timing at energy sakto sa kanta. Hindi lang sila kumakanta. SB19 tells a story with every move. Sobrang polish. Legendary presence at walang mali sa choreography. Bawat beat, bawat step din, ramdam mo yung dedication. SB19 never misses. Nakakabilib kasi kahit intense yung choreo, solid pa rin yung boses. Hindi lang magaling sa sayaw, pati facial expressions nila on point. Pang first stage talaga silang lahat. Kaya bibigay ko rating sa kanila ay